forest is the most authentic form of nature. Many years ago, nature was composed of tall trees, dense shrubs, hiding animals, as well as human beings living together. As a kind of organism, human beings' existence, reproduction, and development are closely related to forests. Our city will eventually return to the embrace of forests, since forests give us everything. What is an ideal city like? An ideal city is the blending of man and nature, and the harmonious coexistence of city and forest, with forest and city embracing each other. Establishing a national forest city is the dream of local people who want to live a life with high quality, and the driving force for Pengshan, a young city to move forward. Behind the figures are a city's pursuit of a good life, and all local people's efforts in and the responsibility for green Pengshan and forest city. Every planted tree will become one part of the city's green in the future. Every piece of green is hope and wealth of the city. 10 years of planting trees will benefit the city. Let the lucid waters and the lush mountains become invaluable assets of Pengshan's local people.